make una come here, make we get this meeting for my own apartment. Because me, I don't find out say some of una for that my house there. When I just come there, make una spoil my house, make una spoil things for me. But before this thing dey happen, God don already reveal am to me, show me the thing wey dey happen and how I go go about it. Now hear me.
Abeg landlord, talk wetin you wan talk. Na this one you keep on saying like I'm waiting for Zaria.
Which kind nonsense be this one? See kekere o. See kekere o. Tenant no talk na kekere wey dey attachment to him brother na him dey talk to me. But when you go dey talk to me? Okay, I don hear. But make you take time o, kekere, take time o.
I don't say anything bad for wetin she talk. Just talk this thing come on, all of
the thing I want to tell you now be say, from today I don't get rules. God don't tell me how I go handle my compound there. God don't tell me. God tell me like that. And now I want to tell you that the rules where they now. From now, anybody will no gree, make it waka. You know they easy to get house.
Wait for
man, listen to me now. I want to talk.
Landlord, make we do things. Wetin be this? You call us here, make we do meeting. Person dey here, they paint, they say they do makeup.
I never say, close that thing. You dey mad?
Because you
before landlord, they paint. You dey now who you dey paint for? You think I got abacha?
landlord person do fighting again.
You enter your house, you do. I'm not down here. Nobody dey look you here.
No, you dey look am.
I know they look am. Rule one. Rule one now. For this on a house there, I no wan make person stay, make more than two people stay for one room.
Oh!
Now be number one rule o. So if you dey more than two for room, you go reduce am. Only two person na one for room, one person or two person. Na so. Number two, anytime wey I wan go toilet, wey I decide say na for na side I go toilet, or say maybe I come see my compound how e be, toilet come dey hungry me. Whether you dey toilet o, once I knock, run come out. And if I dey go, nobody go follow, nobody go go until I finish my own.
I be wipe.
Dey hear na hear am.
Person go carry shit.
So na be the thing.
Make it finish.
Now be the thing. Another one, third one. Anytime wey I enter that on a compound, everybody go stand attention and greet me. Anybody wey see me, if I dey pass, you see me, you stand. You go stand, you go greet me. When you don't greet me, I don't answer you, I don't go. You fit move. From now onward, the account number wey I wan give you now. Now everybody go dey pay rent, house rent too. Yes. No be hand because na don deceive me well. At times na no go pay me, na go soon na pay me. So you go bank because bank go record am. The last one now be say every morning all of una go come out for exercise. We go do exercise. When the roster come out, anybody wey the thing fall for im own room, you go bring person from im room wey go lead the exercise. Una hear me? I don talk finish o. Na so e go be.
My own case now, you know say e dey critical. Me wey dey live with people for my own house, I want to
reduce am. If you wan make your sister go, fine. If you wan stay with your sister, you stay with your sister. If you wan stay with another person, make your sister go. So choose one.
You dey stay with people, us na community. So now me, I no wan go. I dey here.
Ogolo, na you are blame. Na you are go blame. When I beg you make I dey your house, you no tell me say I dey come paradise.
my house be paradise, I don't understand.
But you know they see God before us? When they bring all the rules and regulations, all the 10 commandments, all the 7 books of Moses, I will go study all of them. By the time I study all of them, then I will come stay, make I for know how.
Shut up. You be my tenant? On chachar moto, char kunkum. So if meat they come, Pomo go follow come.
No, I support that, they support.
If meat they come, Pomo go follow come. You be my tenant. Now get out. Come out.
I will come on, but make I tell you.
No tell me anything.
See, Oga landlord, now only that exercise me I see be better thing when you talk. Because see this one where they here. Person they here since they follow person they for house, they chop. No man. Green one come back and come up for our may rest. Every day they fast. We need that exercise make it for less. See this one now, we be like ants. We don't know whether a human being or an animal. See this one where they here. It need exercise make it grow.
My sister, you told me.
Oh, but wait first, I the vex. See this one will be like waiting please one kind. Do an exercise for these people, make they be like human beings. And don't you know where they wear this thing? Maybe by the time they sweat, nobody will tell and he go come out.
Thunder fire you.
Thunder go fire.
That's true,
You see this aboki?
I go, but they come for your head, boy.
Hey, don't do wait. Everyone sit down.
Thunder fire you for there.
You don't do.
Whether I do, I don't even be telling for them. So when I dey here.
Aboki.
Come on, boy. I will break up for you.
Tema landlord, tema dan banza ne shege. Come let's go out for here.
Thank you for your attention. Landlord, I want to okay they pay me. I think I'll visit you.
Oh, mini visitor. Vivi, now you visitor.
It concern you. Don't be a man they work where they shop. Say big. I mean, if I just spend my own though. See this one. I will go later. Come find you.
Hey!
Now they won't spoil my time in my
So I be like this, if I stand with you. See, I go let you answer me. You know, guys, I'm not going to get juice.
I think you can walk.
Get off! See me now, I'm not going to greet you.
Eh?
I want for you.
Huh? Oh, carry small pikin come here. Come carry show. Hey. Wow. Come on. Abeg.
Hey. When you miss the trouble, then wahala. What do you expect, you? Less necessary to see you. No time to take time. If you like to practice a fool forever, wait from dream. Wait, yo. Can't you canary? And I'm a kepenanka.
Gusto.
I don't tell you ghost. Ogolo.
Eh?
Where the ghost? Where the ghost?
Yeah, you get one girl where I been talk to for outside there. Before you know, you understand that thing. Before you know, she just disappeared. I have to run for my life.
Ogolo. If you don't begin to see ghost, now be say you don't dey near your grave. How you go dey see ghost? Human being dey see ghost? Eh? Ha! You sure say you still there okay?
Don't try this nonsense again. You fuck up now. Don't try them again, no.
Can you say you fuck up? Why you fuck up? Wait. If you see ghost, why you don't pass your own house? You can't pass through.
What did they talk now? No be here they shot at go my house. No be my house for backyard there. Now the same thing now. What did they talk like?
You want make the pattern. So if send a ghost, make the ghost kill me now. You come drag the ghost past my place. You don't pass your place.
I just need to run for my life because he messed me up and nearly died.
This one what you did alive. Take time, oh. See Ogolo. Now because of you, I break my hand. The hand don't dey heal small now. This is what you do now. Now I go jam the hand again. See, you don't dislocate, oh.
No, so you.
Let me do it.
Yes, now let me.
Leave me.
Wait, I can do it, bro. I can do it.
Hey, leave me. See. Now you fit help me. Eh? See, your hand fit even reach the place where the thing do me well. Just to touch this place. Now see where the thing do me.
If he help you now, Ghana
You can't help me.
Hey!
Hey. When you miss the trouble, and wahala. What do you expect you?
I give me money, but I say that you go work out with your good love like come back and go buy something you don't go pay. Something worry you.
Watch out for Maka.
I don't know about it.
Watch out for Maka. Allah Kufunotu. You look at me finish and you hold my neck.
Now you begin.
Who just looking at you?
Hey, give me my money.
Kufunotu. Check your pram. Check that Abraham have given you money. But that is the metro here and there. You make trouble here and there. So you hold my neck. Fear not their eyes. Allah Kufunotu.
But if you lie, speak Allah. Don't give me money. That is a
come on, leave me. Check your pram. Are you at the
Give me money.
Oh yeah.
Hi, rape. He wants to rape me, your market. Market, he wants to rape me. He wants to rape me. Come on, leave me alone.
Check the apron. Open it.
You want, if I tell you say
Check the
rape me.
apron. I have given you money.
You will give me money, I don't
What
go.
that is they make trouble every market. They make it trouble. It's trouble your customers. You know, see your life. You see your life. You hold my neck. You have done your own.
You got love.
Forget. You will see. You will see.
Hell, that's your life.
You will see. Wait and see.
Make attention, say this money now you pay me. Oh. If I find a celebrity,
you still get mouth. You still get mouth.
Come on for my shop, let me go buy something.
I'll my onion cigar. I
gotta go. See today. Now so you go there as the quarrel with your wife. See today. You won't go rape me inside market. I take the shot this morning.
Hey. When you miss the trouble and wahala, what do you expect you? Laziness is so disease you. No time to check time. If you like to practice a fool forever, wake from dream. Wait, yo. Can't you canary? And I'm a kepenanka.
I give him himself. I give him
Havana.
If not that one, leave him. I don't know how far. I don't know how close.
What's up?
I don't know where it is. As you see me, your man, I don't understand anything again.
What's happened now? Wait, now those dwarf them.
Those dwarf. You don't know what happened here. Those dwarf.
Dwarf. Finish him, Oga. Finish him, Dr. P.
Good evening.
Yeah, good night.
Good morning.
Talk for me.
No, we don't talk anything, no. Nah, film. You want only film?
Movie.
Nah, movie. All those movies. I tell you the title of the film. Nah, dwarf people.
Now, Nollywood is dwarf.
Now film. We don't talk anything. So I tell the title of movie dwarf.
Nollywood.
Nollywood people.
Yeah.
Nollywood people, Abi. Come, I want to ask you one question. You don't ever live for your life one day as you just wake up, carry mirror, look yourself, make you see how you dwarf. You don't ever check am. You wake up person dwarf. You know say that you be senior brother to Dwarf Association of Nigeria.
Don't even insult me. I know say I short, but I know say I sexy. I fine. No insult me. After all, no only you wear dwarf for this community. What did they do you? No insult me. What did be that?
You dey craze. You dey mad. I dey say your man dey make you talk too much. Agidi, make am see here. I no blame you. Na joblessness wey join me and una for this house. Na I blame. I no even blame joblessness. I blame you. You, Agidi in particular. Agrikwa. Don't worry. Uwa.
Hey, you don't know your slippers. You don't know your slippers.
Ogolo.
What's up?
Now walk you dey go.
No, na why dey go? You know see weapon wey I carry for here. What?
Wow. Abeg.
See, come on. Now my head, you go come the dollar. Come on the slippers.
What did happen? This one wey this man now in blood dey hot this morning. What did happen?
You blame Mama. You see that guy with this? That Ogolo. That guy dey under serious house pressure. Come back here. Now wait now. Wait, why they run now?
Which one be what happen? No be you talk say house dey under pressure. Say house wan collapse. He come dey ask me what happen. Eh?
I swear to God, you idiot.
Hey.
So, hey, I tell you, say, Ogolo dey under pressure. No be house dey under pressure now. Ah, so all this run where you run, waste your energy, plus my energy where you carry join waste, all na for nothing.
I run my run, you run your run. No, you no go blame me. You no go blame me. How you go talk say house dey under pressure when you know say houses and churches dey fall, dey collapse every day for here? Eh? I no fit wait make anybody explain anything for me before I run for my life.
Agidi, I beg you, in the name of anything where you believe or where you worship, no carry me run this kind run again. No carry me run this kind run again. I don't want you.
But wait, why you go talk say Ogolo dey pressure, house pressure, now Ogolo pressure? You know what happen?
The problem, you no go school, but you know they come close, man, they teach you. No be waiting I mean be that. See, yesterday, this house, we fight. Huh? But waiting they surprise me. I no sabi how landlord take enter the fight. Bah! As I dey talk to you, landlord dey hospital.
Who?
And not only that, now from there, he give us quick notice. Say before he go return, make we eject in house.
Oh! But how come landlord come dey fight with the tenant them now?
No be everybody. That devil.
Which one?
That witch now. That I go say.
Oh, I can see the devil. Which devil? Huh? Which devil? Oh.
Hey. Thank God.
For wetin?
Okay, go on.
You know the change wey dey come be that.
Kill am. Happy morning.
You go ngini? Abi make arrest say you kill female mosquito.
Abi make I kuma dey. So they go talk say murder case. I no dey there.
For something wey no even important.
Come and gossip now. Where are you going?
Somebody go be.
Agidi.
Like seriously. Come and gossip now. I thought that's the only thing you know how to do. The Belbetious muggles, elders of stupidity.
Come, make I warn you. No, they see my friend as you don't pursue. Make.
No one concern una.
If I go idiot.
No sense. Look at their
Ashawo.
head.
Who know? I don't even know where they from born this kind of thing. Go check well, no. They fit not disown you. No, no. They do guy they waka. Rubbish.
When you miss the trouble and wahala, what do you expect you? Laziness is so disease you. No time to take time. If you like to practice a fool forever, wake from dream.
Come. Are you not the one the other day? You are the one home. Yeah, you know the same man that followed me the other day?
I'm not sure. I'm not sure, so I don't see you before.
The other day you followed me almost to the market.
Follow you? Oh! You for tell me now. How you doing now? I remember. You know now, I dey try to get your attention. That I dey call you. Before I come back, you don't just vanish anyhow. I don't understand. How you doing?
You know, you were talking trash now, so I have to leave. You're not serious.
Trash? I mean, no dey talk trash. Trash na my nickname. What's that happen now?
I'm fine.
Hi, sexy pikin. You get one thing I remember. I've been the fine way to ask you this thing since that day. No vessel, No, nothing that happened.
Ask me now.
No vessel, you be spirit or you be human being.
Go. Hey, you're too scared. Come and touch me now. I'm a human being.
Touch wetin?
When you miss the trouble
You can't play with that.
and wahala, what do you expect?
Come now.
Which kind of man be matter be that one?
Come and touch. Come now. Why are you too scared? Come and touch. Come and touch. I'm a human being. Come.
Make us touch your hand.
Come now. call. You see, I'm a human being.
So you're licking.
Nothing happened.
I told you. Come closer.
You somebody?
Yeah.
Hi.
Funny man.
As it be like this now, eh?
Yeah.
You feel me and you go house.
Just like that.
Yeah, nah, just for visitation. Yeah.
Well, no problem, eh? If you want me to go with you, you just have to transfer 10k to me.
How?
Just 10k.
10k?
Yeah.
For what now? You say 10k?
Just 10k.
Okay, thank you. You see, you know, say I no plan am, but as it don't be like this, go give me your phone number. You understand?
No problem.
Then I will call you later.
Just put
Call.
080 844 943. Look at what you're pressing.
Okay, sorry. Okay,
566.
566.
Just call me, yeah?
Hey. Is that to be the name? Hey. Indian Marine. What the world. Ogolo, you're a great man. Hey. Hey. What a word. I they call you now.
When trouble run, come meet Wahala, brother. Surely, yo, the house is on fire. Avoidance is not hard.
I go like make you give me work for you. Don't tell this guy making give me small work. Make I work for you. Every day I go come here for work. Because I go fit carry all these things. Dr. P, landlord be this. I tell Dr. P say this man too like woman. You say you don't see the presser. See the presser. But you get fine. Me I no go get girlfriend. Na old man go get girlfriend.
Hey, Hey. When you miss the trouble, then wahala. What do you expect, you? Less necessary to see you. No time to take time. If you like to fight, it's a fool forever. Wake from dream, oh. Wait, oh. Can't you canary? And I'm a kepenanka.
Okay. Wash plate.
I don't wash everything. I don't wash everything.
Kekere. Go mop that bedroom.
I don't clean everywhere. Tidy and sweep and go check for yourself. I don't do everything.
Come. Kekere, you just say don't clean outside.
I don't finish everything for outside. I don't finish everywhere. Now this place is made for me. When I give me chance, I do them.
No worry, no wahala. You go outside, still go clean them again. Yeah.
I don't clean them. I even clean the landlord on joint.
Baby, go outside now,
Madam, I don't do everything. Finish.
Kekere.
See, let me tell you, you don't have time, oh. You don't have time. You're thinking, jump right here now.
Oh! Kekere. Ancient of days, as bold as you are, you no go respect yourself. Kekere.
If you don't want me to get problem, settle me. Settle me. You'll be free.
What?
You don't have money. Settle her now. Let's do this thing, I'm leaving now.
Oh! Kekere. Wow. Take.
Share this thing they had to make bring up. But don't give me this thing, I'll do everything free.
You do like money? Maybe what you want to get.
This girl has one witch.
I beg you, make I mean, I don't settle for this thing now. What did they talk about stopping money again? Look, we will go for the...
Today, market no easy. Another. Oh! Oh!
Hello, what?
Shift!
Welcome.
Thank you.
Why didn't you tell me that you have witches and wizards in your house? See, let me tell you, your money are...
Hey, no money.
Oh! Wow! Oh, yeah, man. Oh!
It's not your fault. Well, you're not even going to call me on phone again because I'm not going to pick. All your money, everything is gone.
Do you not forget anything from market?
Nothing.
No!
You know what you do?
Like I tell you, Dr. P, you see all this problem where you get? Now only one solution you get.
Agidi, waiting you know say my problem.
Your landlord, that small winch, and the job where you no get.
Wait. Like say you yourself you get work. Not be me and you there in this joblessness together. Why do you tell me job where you not get like say you get? I beg, waiting be the one problem. One solution we go solve all this my problem.
Na girlfriend you need. Yes, na.
Hey! Agidi, how is getting a girlfriend a solution to any problem? Let alone this one where me there inside. Get where me and you know say na times 100 of all this our problem. Our problem.
My brother, no talk like that. Listen, make I tell you something. You know say person wey get girlfriend they very very happy. You know say girl they make person they very happy. Sure you know. If you get girlfriend now the girl go make you go dey happy 24 hours. You go forget all this problem where they no go even think come again. You don't know?
Oh boy, you get set. Get out, you too much.
Aye. Why?
No, don't be that kind get out.
Okay.
I mean rubbish. I don't know say you get set.
I get sense now.
See, you know, see, I never even reasoned up like this before.
You know
Any man, no matter how you rich, once you have a woman, then near woman, happy. Yes. You don't even remember say you get problem. But wait, hey, Agidi, how I want to get woman for this my condition? Which woman go accept me as I not get money? And even if I get, which house me and I go there?
No.
Now that war zone?
No. No, they talk like that. See, I make I tell you something. Anytime when you want carry girl, come stay for house. Just buy mosquito coil.
Don't be that. I don't be me and most. I they talk woman.
No, that thing can't.
Okay, that.
If you buy mosquito coil, just drop them. You go sleep, or you go even die.
No, I don't want to keep it.
You go just sleep like 12 hours. By then, you don't finish what they do with the guy.
You serious?
Yes, now.
Wait, you sure say you go work? I don't want to keep it,
No, you go just sleep. Let me say you the killer.
Okay, but even if this one work, what about landlord? What about the house matter now? Where me and you?
Landlord.
Nobody there.
Landlord. So you don't know say una landlord now woman rapa. You don't know say all this money, all this rent when they pay, they give up. You don't know say they use and carry woman. See what you go do. Just promise and say you go give her one girl.
Wait, you mean say landlord like woman?
If you promise and say you go give a woman, if he even give you house for free.
House? See, for that, me and you, nah. We go look for woman. No go. So that when we get a house, we're gonna stay together.
Yes, sir.
You go leave your useless people for that
I'm
side.
telling you. Just bacha. Dress yourself.
Like this.
You know, if you want to go check woman,
No, now 2 times per week now.
We go manage them, don't worry.
Okay.
This one is swagger. I don't have go Saka.
Just they will like me like.
Go Saka. Go Saka. Just go Saka now. Nothing there. Go Saka. You go.
I told you I'm not short like you. Must see you one like this.
Go Saka.
Okay. they don't like me now, you are go holo.
Hey, hey. When you miss the trouble, then wahala. What do you expect you? Less necessary to see you. No time to take time.
That's small girl. What do you mean that's small girl? What mean we go start from the big girls we slap us on the streets of before we go start?
Fine girl. Excuse me. Abeg, 1 minute. Can I 1 minute? Abeg, where are you going to? And when are you coming back?
What kind of useless question is that? How is that your business?
Our business! I think no say we want to do business. See, me and they plan very big business we want to do. We will never start, but we go soon start. That one no be no be any. Okay, my dear, straight to the point. What is your father's name?
What do you really want from me?
What I want from you? Me and you, can we do?
Do what? Me and you?
No, not be that duo, no be.
Yeah!
Not be the other do.
Look at him.
Not be that kind do now.
I'll deal with you.
Agidi, no be you say mo. No be you say mo go to Sam. You know, go help me. Eh? Ha. Fine girl, abeg, never dey go. Okay, before you go, wetin be your area name, your street name, your papa name, your mama name, or even your friends name?
Ask her about that generation name, so that we will know that you're actually looking for name. Why you fooling yourself?
See, now you cause this thing.
How they cause up?
Like say you can't join me for here. This thing for no be like this. I for no face this battle alone.
Why? How?
You for come there. Okay, as you there, help me.
So you don't know say if you want check woman, you go there bold. You go gather yourself, give yourself morale before you go talk to a girl.
I gather.
You gather waiting. You come here, come they do like primary school people. I for apple, B for beeful, we for whistle. Yeah? You don't know say you supposed to gather morale. Lie give that girl.
Me lie? You know I know they lie now.
You a fool. Make I tell you. Any man or any guy wey want check girl go first of all start with lie. I'm telling you, promise am heaven and earth. The girl no fit do you anything. The girl no fit slap you. Just put am for your man. He no fit beat you. The highest way she fit do na to agree or disagree. So you need to gather yourself, gather morale. Back here no be tall as wash. Drop lie give am. Even lie the one way self way you no fit do till you die. Lie give am.
Make I sit down and wetin I no fit do.
Send you go motor.
Motor. Thunder fire. Now I know say you know me well for no be me and you. See all the problem wey I get for house. I never solve and finish. Now to come carry another woman wahala plus lie and motor. I know they do am.
You ungrateful.
Which ungrateful? You know no problems wey I get for house. I dey score with person.
I dey try help you get woman.
Why you go say make I promise a motor? Where I wan see motor? Where I wan see motor?
Just promise am. No be say use mouth promise am.
Anything I be when I go feel.
Even tell us say be Dangote pikin. You don't know. That's like,
like this.
Nah, camouflage they do.
Okay, I go carry that one.
This boy.
When you miss the trouble, then wahala. What do you expect you? Less necessary to see you. No time to take time. If you like to practice a fool forever, wait from dream. Wait, yo. Can't you canary? And I'm a kepenanka. When trouble run, come meet Wahala, brother. Charlie, yo, the house is on fire. Avoidance is not hiding, the house is on fire.
Landlord. Okay, landlord, the most happening landlord in town. The best landlord of our time. I hear you, sir.
This one where they hear me. What thing happen? What thing gonna happen?
That's it happen though. You know say that matter will be they discuss that time.
Okay, you can't tell me say you don't come out back.
No, landlord don't be that one carry me come.
Now what thing carry you come?
Now the thing will bring me come. Now I want to tell you now. You see, landlord as you see me, I know say don't lock up your mind for where I dey.
Oh, you say you know.
I know.
And when you see them do now, pack out now.
Now they pack out. But before I pack out, I say make I come. Before you do your final decision, make I come tell you something. As you see me so, I get business proposal. We carry me come your door.
What shall never end. You never eat. You don't get business. You don't get work when you do. Come on, applicant. You want bring business? Come meet me. Oga landlord. You don't say you crazy.
See, Oga landlord no be like that. All this business what I bring up, you need to hear them out first now. Hear me out. Hear them. This business what I carry come is very beneficial. Beneficial to you more than myself. See, every week, if you allow me stay, every week for this compound, I must give you fresh, fine girl.
You serious?
I look like I don't ever do for your compound before.
How we go do that one?
Hey, landlord, see, trust to me. That one no be anything to me now. I don't plan am with Agidi, my guy.
Now you say you don't become kidnapper.
No,
you don't kidnap
no, landlord. I never. We don't fit do that kind of thing now.
So how it go happen?
It go happen. Hear me out. Let me be the planner of this business. See, number one, be say I don't plan am with my guy, as I tell you. Don't worry about the plan. They can reserve but all you know is say every week I'm gonna give you juicy, fresh, oily, ocronicious women.
Every week. Fresh. Fresh girl.
Where oily dey.
Where oily dey.
Weekly.
So that means every week now I go there. Every day now I go to take
every tonic.
Oh no.
From morning you take till night. From Monday to Friday, one go. Then another one go resume duty Saturday.
Make I ask you. This thing I go agree. If you agree say, no be the one where you don't already taste finish. You don't finish and I go the same to you. Now fresh one where you never touch.
See, if I give you expired woman, if I give you any girl we don't flap, any girl we don't sack, any girl we don't yaka, come out me, not only me, come out Ogolo and that change. I tell you, I don't go fit do that kind of thing now.
Okay, make I tell you. As you don't talk this thing now, instead of you to come out, no Ogolo, go come out. You go flap over that house.
You mean another? See, for this way you talk. Oh, just begin the right hand for you. Anyhow you want the woman tell me.
Agreement. Oh.
I don't go fit fuck up now.
Agreement.
You na my landlord though. The best happening landlord. See, if I dose for this matter, if you go fit burn that house, burn am. Burn am. If I dose so, burn am. Burn everybody wey dey inside. Look at what's happening. The landlord himself. So this man like
this. See, say, you know good make you underrate somebody. See this boy now, I for miss my luck. See now you go do organize for me. Now you say, hey. I beg you go stay. Anybody will tell you to come on, and that person go come on.
Brother, Charlie, yo, the house is on fire. Avoidance is not hiding, the house is on fire. Every day na trouble, humanizing na the culture. I am a Fontimo. Eunatini on a beacon way. Oga landlord, waiting be your problem. Oga landlord, I got buffalo you. emotionally. When you miss the trouble and wahala, what do you expect you? Laziness is a disease, yo.
No time to take time. If you like to practice a fool forever, wait from dream.
I want to jolly, yo. No be for lazy people. Ngana bujunte aguye guye ya manne.
Oh, mini visita. Visi. I greet you now. As you see me, and already I don't ready, so now only for me to change job, I will come and go market. And you too, you don't already finish. Let's say you don't ready for a business, but I can't warn you because I know say as you don't do so, pew. You don't visit all the room within this compound. Landlord, caretaker, and whatsoever, whether a man or a woman, and only this our opposite room, they say, now you remain. So I can't warn you. I see the same they come also, make I not see you inside that room. Whether na Ogolo, whether na Dr. Pio, I don't know, whether na Kekere, because I see this one, whether na man or woman, I don't know again. Because all the pium, you don't go and finish. Front, back here, around, you don't finish. So make I not see this year. Whether na left or be na right or na front, I don't know. In fact, I don't know. Make I not see him inside that room. Because if I see him, what did I go do? You don't go like her.
Simio! Which can't be that one now? That house when we say I don't know the people in there. That's why be like that. You expect me to go that house? With sickness? No just try. They try to expect you. Not just try am. See I go do it for this compound. I just say look you. Not just try am.
Hey! See why I can't say make I come warn you because I don't know whether you don't carry sickness. Because what you sabi now open, close. So I don't want see, I don't want carry sickness because now there I did they manage my life. As you see me so, I know my business.
My business know me.
Your business go know you now. You carry on for hand. Pew. So I beg. Because I don't want any sickness. Now I did they manage my life. So make I not see you inside that room. Let me so now my market at the go so. Oh mini VCC. But make I not see you because if I see you, I don't want to.
I just want to respect you. I want you to respect you, not make I just keep you quiet though. Because if I get your time, I go deal with you for this company. You don't wish anything.
Go inside that market. Go ask about me worldwide. Even my customer, whether a man or a woman, with a digger. You be auntie. I go see you like this. So I don't want to finish. I'm not going to come talk with you.
I dey do my business, they favor me. No, not just try and say I be. See where person they work now in the shop. Me I dey do my house small. Man they do am, man they get am. Because at least I find out, but I no find rich. No just try am. They share us with crowd. Only you. Business cause business. I know my business.
Shally, yo, the house is on fire. Avoidance is not hiding, the house is on fire.
Every day na trouble, organizing na the culture.
Hello, fine girl. How are you now? Why are you following a bushy path like this? Where they go to?
This is the shortest way to my friend's house.
Yeah.
Friend. Hey, you guys, what are you guys doing inside the bush now?
We? My name is Dr. P. And this is Agi. This is Mr. Joe Shafat.
Joe Shafat. What am I sharing inside bush? My name is Dangote relation.
Eh?
What is that?
Name no be who you relate to.
No, you go tell me the name what answer. Anything I want answer happen.
Whatever. Don't mind this guy. He's very funny, but he's a very big boy. I get all this place.
Now him papa been get and him papa can't die. Leave am, he inherit everything. So I want to come buy everything from him. Make I for build my own personal company.
Wait a minute, you mean the whole of this land? As big as it is now? Wow, you must be very rich.
You don't know. I want to buy all this is join up. You don't know who I be. Now make the doctor. Your phone on the internet. Internet your phone. You go see who I be. Just type am. You go see the first and only son of the of Dave Woman.
Wait a minute. You mean the governor of Ebonyi State?
Yes.
You don't know? Yes.
The best ranking governor of the federation.
Yeah. Mamba. We dey talk about governor. That man good though. If you see his state, in fact for Nigeria, I never see state where they like him. For now.
It's still the same thing. It's still the same thing that I'm saying.
But you say banking.
You turning it.
Like banking federation.
I don't understand the grammar. Something like say with the bank. My man, I will be going to other meetings with the governors and the president. I don't know. Let me leave you and the girl.
Go.
But I don't know if you're still interested to buy this land.
What nonsense is that? I mean, what rubbish is that? How much be the land?
500 million.
500 million.
Yeah?
Small money now. They insult me where I follow get top. What if be 500 million? If you want, I pay you more.
It's
what?
okay.
Can you imagine?
Let me just be discuss everything.
Before you go, give me your number. Let me transform your life.
Oh my God!
Yeah, watch you.
Transformer.
Let me the number.
081. You will call me back.
I know they call you already.
Don't forget to.
It's ringing. I don't know they call you so. Hey.
Now we go call you, okay?
Okay.
We will call you.
Go. Agidi. Waiting be we for inside this store.
Now we do them.
Which kind we do am? Get what see? Get what toast?
Now we get those them.
Come on for here. You are who
Bring
get
the number.
which number? See, Agidi, no insult yourself for here. I know they give you any number.
You no go come for here. Give me the number.
Okay, may we share the number.
Share am.
I get half, you get half.
Give me.
And I go get the better side.
Give me.
Leave me and make I give you. No, every time person go dey paralyze. Say me and you know they quarrel.
Come on for here.
See
give
this
me.
number way. Look am. Come collect number is yours. No, come collect. Person wey me see, na me see am. Na me touch am. Come punish you there. Punish your generation, idiot. Your generator, idiot.
When you miss the trouble and wahala, what do you expect you? Laziness is so disease you.
No time to take time. If you like to fight, it's a fool forever. Wake from dream.
Wait, yo. Can't you canary? And I'm a kepenanka. When trouble run, come meet Wahala, brother.
Charlie, yo, the house is on fire. Avoidance is not hiding, the house is on fire.
Every day na trouble, humanizing na the culture. I am a Fontimo. Ewunatini on a beacon way. Oga landlord, wetin be your problem? Oga landlord, I got buffalo you. When you miss the trouble and wahala, what do you expect you? Laziness is a disease you.
No time to take time. If you like to fight, it's a fool forever. Wake from dream.
I want to jolly you. No be for lazy people. Ngana bujunte aguye
the house is on fire.
Every day na trouble, humanizing na the culture. I am a Fontimo. Ewunatini on a beacon way. Oga landlord, wetin be your problem? Oga landlord, I got buffalo you.
See that boy, Dr. P. Go, Engineer P. Oga landlord.
Agidi? Oh, which kind of nonsense be this one? Which kind of bad luck be this one?
How? Me bad luck?
Now bad luck now. Why you come wake me? You know the kind dream why they dream now when you come wake me up? Why you come wake me up, eh? What did I do you?
Oga landlord, I beg no vex. You see Dr. P?
I no see him.
You no see him?
Yes.
That boy, if I catch that boy, what did I go do that boy, eh? If you like make you run go exile, run go Sahara Desert, run enter ocean, me, I go follow him up and down, bumper to bumper.
Now make you wake me up.
You know Sam Abi?
I did not go.
You know Sam Abi?
Which kind of temptation is this one? Which kind of temptation is this one? Eh? I did dream better dream. This I didn't go. What did I do for this life?
This is not hiding, the house is on fire. Every day na trouble, humanizing na the culture.
Okay, where the number the other day? What tell you?
Waiting they worry you. Waiting be your problem. See, if you don't get problem, I'll come up for you.
Come on, go away. Come here. Where the number where me and you will get the girl? I tell you go give me the number. I can't look for you everywhere. Where the number there?
Which number? Now me and you to Sam.
Hey,
not me first to Sam. Not me. In fact, what do you even do? You don't do anything.
Girl where as Salisi, where I Saisi. Come tell him so many things. He can't believe. Bring number.
You tell him so many. I beg. Come, no day. I know.
Where the number?
See, make you know.
Oh, even more money. Even more.
Give me my money. Give me. I don't this money. If you don't give me this money,
I'm
going to die for you.
Give me the number. Give me the money. Give me the number. Give me the money. I want you.
What is it?
Eh? See this mugu. Where I get one girl, I can't check the girl. The girl can't drop number. I can't tell us okay. Oh boy, give me the number. I can't find this injustice in the head. If you see me, go hide. You the Chris.
You don't finish.
See, make I tell you, this idiot no get sense. Now me see get. Now me toast them. Now me waste my energy, my time, and my swag. Toast the guy finish. Now you gonna say make I give him the number. I don't agree say make we share the number. I don't agree. Say me and you make we share and make you take the first part. Make I take the main part. You don't agree. Now you come collect my money. Come the drop number with me. I don't wait till I get to talk again.
The problem be say me. I don't get anything. Where I go talk. I'm gonna continue.
See, you go give me that money. You must give me. But wait. Listen, give me.
I don't give it.
But wait. Who be that? Wait till be that way become separators.
I be taking a breeze.
I been an evil spirit. I know.
Wait, check what?
Hey! Let me can't be that.
Naimo. I be taking a breeze. Oh.
Now I can't explain the waste my energy. That is na evil spirit or something.
Come, hey, Keke.
Come, no kill him. He go still come back for my head. Come, now the house and they stay. Leave him. Come.
I like you. Wait, let me make you the road follow me. Like go to me say he meets road.
No worry. My name now.
Hey, hold on. I don't want to see here. Hey, should no get size. Wetin bicycle they find for filling station?
Who be the filling station?
Na me now. We be level.
I'll buy you. I'll for you. I'll buy you now. Yeah? What nothing there now? See, make I tell you, forget my size, oh. I big for here. You understand? I like you. I say make you know. No normal thing now. I like it I like it in them.
You get luck say I dey for good mood today. What did I for do you?